Yeah, hi, it's Tom Shafer here with Blossom Installations. I got Max Dog there, clearly bored of my videos that I make. Well, too bad, Max. You're gonna get one more. This is a 2019 Jeep Cherokee push to start. I just installed a remote starting system with the very popular 3x lock remote starting capability. This allows my customer to use the factory Jeep remote, press lock 3 times, and have the vehicle started. Once the vehicle started, you will use the remote to unlock the door, enter the vehicle, close the door behind you, and then simply press the brake pedal for secure takeover and drive away. Blossom Installations, Northeast PA, your technical, automotive, electrical installation experts. Blossom Installations.